Okay, welcome to another spontaneous vlog. This is the Pulsar F250. Special thanks to Varun Bajaj for lending me this bike for a weekend ride, and we're going out in the evening now, unusually very pleasant weather. And this is turning out to be a Bajaj family ride because we have the Dominar and Dominar hardcore fanboy right over there, Mr. Gautam, and our hardcore videographer, photographer Christopher Nolan को टक्कर देने वाला DOP मिस्टर विक्की विथ वो कैमरा नहीं दिखाना क्योंकि उसको अपन DSLR वाला इफेक्ट देने वाले हैं एडिटिंग पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन एडिटिंग में. सो ये कॉस्टली प्रोडक्शन देखने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया एंड स्टे ट्यून्ड फॉर ऑल द सिनेमैटिक शॉट्स एंड लॉट ऑफ एक्शन दैट इज गोइंग टू अनफोल्ड. लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. Okay, so Pulsar 250, everything is set. Mr. DOP at work. Let's get going, guys. Very refined, torquey motor. I was loving it while I was riding it back home last night from the showroom. The exhaust is amazing, exhaust sound, and then of course the Fat-Footy Mr. Royal Enfield is also there, and this I have to say is the most refined Pulsar to date, and with the most refined and smooth gearbox that you experienced on any Pulsar to date. A lot of crowd and jam happening here. A lot of works happening with a lot of constructions and projects going on simultaneously. खुली रोड मिलने के बाद फिर से स्टार्ट करेंगे व्लॉग. So we fueled up and we are headed towards the destination for today or tonight, you can say, because this is evening time and we are headed into the sunset. And by the time we get there, something I hope works, because we are expecting something for a good evening. So let's hope we are not let down, because there are uncertainties. But I hope you guys also enjoy that evening footage. But for now, so we continue to ride, and this is going to be an enjoyable ride because a wonderful machine, very comfortable, very fatigue free riding experience. Unlike the preceding Pulsars, this is absolutely effortless to ride, and you can see the R&D work that they have done to make this more of a technically brilliant machine rather than too much of over the top features or something some gizmos and gadgets. They've made everything work. Like the suspension is perfectly set. I mean, the 300mm disc offers a good initial bite. The suspension offers a good front end feel, and the visor does its job well. The lighting will be checking on our way back as it gets darker. The mirrors are well positioned, but they seem to stick out a little bit. They offer decent field of view. They're not extraordinary, but they don't I mean, the adjustment and all is pretty easy, and they do serve the purpose while touring. Rear view mirrors are a must. So seating is very, very comfortable, and the engine is absolutely the sweetest thing about this motorcycle, the biggest USP. Tires, yes, as it is, they do the job for you, but if you want to enjoy more road grip, of course you can go ahead with radial tires while you swap them or change them. towards Siddipet already, and we're heading to the destination. It's just few kilometers away. The infinity display looks absolutely stunning as the sun goes down and the darkness surrounds you. The infinity display comes alive and it looks beautiful, absolutely stunning. And then of course you have the trademark backlit switches. So there are a few attractions here at this place where we are headed. That just remains to be a surprise, and I just hope those attractions are active because nevertheless we would still enjoy the ride. Yes, ride Komati Cheru Hyderabad.
Successfully 30k.
ఏంటి
30k
కిలోమీటర్సా? కంగ్రాట్స్. సరే, ఆ తమ్ముడు వాళ్ళు అక్కడికి వెళ్తారంట. కమ్ టు ద పార్కింగ్ లాట్ అండ్ ఇట్స్ ఆల్ వెల్ అరేంజ్డ్. హ్యూజ్ పార్కింగ్ లాట్, ample amount of space, well organized as well. Finally made it to Komati Cheru. రియల్ లైఫ్ టామ్ అండ్ జెర్రీ మీరు చూసారో లేదు కానీ దిస్ ఇస్ జెర్రీ అండ్ దట్ ఈస్ టామ్.
టామీ ఇంటి దగ్గర
యాక్చువల్లీ ఈయన అన్నయ్య, ఈ తమ్ముడు. అన్న తమ్ముల ప్రేమ ఇంత గొప్పగా మీరు ఎప్పుడు క్యాప్చర్ చేసి చూసి ఉంటారు అనమాట.
ఏం చేస్తున్నారన్న?
ఎంత? ఏది వెజ్ ఫింగర్సా?
అన్న ఒక పని చేయండి, 2 ప్లేట్ అవి తీసుకోండి, ఫ్రెంచ్ ఫ్రైస్ ఒకటి తీసుకోండి. వినోనా ఏం ఆర్డర్ చేశారు ఇంతకి?
అటు చూసి ఇటు చూసే లోపల స్కాన్ చేసి ఎవరిని స్కాన్ చేసేదో ఏదో.
అన్న డినో అన్న, సో సక్సెస్ఫుల్గా కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయింది రైడ్?
ఎస్, సక్సెస్ఫుల్గా నీ ఫోన్స్ వచ్చేంత వరకు ఈ రైడ్ కూడా కంప్లీట్ అయిపోతుంది. బికాస్ లాస్ట్ 7%
ఆ తర్వాత తీయాలన్నా తీయలేదు. ఏదో బాగుందన్న డాల్ఫిన్.
Now you can see a completely dark road ahead, and this is the light spread. Low beam, high beam. So it is good enough, not as good as twin projectors. Of course, now we have the LED lighting from Dominar in our background, but this is the light. It's going all the way up to there, so that's really impressive. Up to the front bus, you can see how far it is going. Right up on the, you can see how far it is going. Right up on the front bus, you can see that's how far the light spread is going. And I'm really happy, and this is decent enough for touring. Not as good as the twin projectors on the RS200, So that was to give you guys an estimate of how good the light throw is